Ugly politics has broken out in the aftermath of Delhi blast. A shocking statement from veteran Congress leader P. Chidambaram has sent shockwaves across the country. According to P. Chidambaram, there are two kinds of terrorists: foreign-trained infiltrated terrorists and homegrown terrorists. And this is something he said in Parliament during the debate on Operation Sindoor, for which he claims he was mocked and trolled. This statement from the senior Congress leader has drawn sharp criticism from the BJP, which has questioned why is Congress party giving a clean chit to Pakistan, and asked for an explanation. Will the party offer an explanation to the families of those killed in Delhi blast?
One has to understand that the fight against terror, there are only two sides. You are either fighting against terror and against the terrorists, or you are standing with them. There is no middle path. And this is how it is. And if this kind of a narrative is to be taken, then Mr. Chidambaram and the Congress party would do well to meet the families of the victims, to explain their point of view. And this apologist approach towards those who have failed their country, because the victims who have died include Muslims as also Hindus. So therefore there is no such narrative that can be built. This is the Congress party's typical approach of trying to create a narrative with its vote bank politics, including the statements at Sharm el-Sheikh, which tries to paint perpetrators of terrorism as victims.
Meanwhile, the Congress party demanded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should immediately chair an all-party meeting in the aftermath of the Delhi blast, and asked whether the new normal doctrine defined by the government following the Pahalgam attack of treating any future terror strike as an act of war stands. The opposition party also demanded that winter session of Parliament, scheduled to start on 1st of December, be advanced so that there could be a debate on the incident. Listen in.
हम सरकार के साथ खड़े हुए आपको हमेशा मिलेंगे जब भी कोई हमला होगा, लेकिन सरकार से सवाल पूछने का भी हमारा एक धर्म है जो हम निभाएंगे। इसलिए हम एक नैतिक ताकत से ये पूछ सकते हैं कि साहब आपके यहां जिम्मेदारी कौन ले रहा है, आपके यहां जवाबदेही किसकी हो रही है। हम यह भी मांग करते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री की अध्यक्षता में एक सर्वदलीय बैठक तुरंत बुलाई जाए।
In a strong statement, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has warned against the growing sense of alienation among the people of the valley. Omar Abdullah said that it is wrong and unfair to label every person from Jammu and Kashmir a terrorist. He emphasized that no one in Jammu and Kashmir supports terrorism and that innocent people should not be blamed for the actions of a few.
जम्मू कश्मीर का हर बाशिंदा आतंकवादी नहीं है। जब हम हर जम्मू कश्मीर के बाशिंदे को और बिलखसूस हर कश्मीरी मुसलमान को एक ही नजरिए से देखना शुरू करते हैं और ये तासुर देना शुरू करते हैं कि हर कश्मीरी मुसलमान जो है वो आतंकवादी है, तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल होता है। जो लोग इस हादसे के लिए कसूरवार हैं उन्हें पकड़ के सख्त से सख्त सजा मिलनी चाहिए, लेकिन जो बेगुनाह लोग हैं उन्हें इससे बाहर रखना होगा। ये कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि पढ़े लिखे लोग जो हैं वो इन चीजों में नहीं पढ़ते।
Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We have Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Dr. Akash Deep Muni, political analyst, joining us in the broadcast. Good evening to both of you. Dr. Muni, a terrorist is a terrorist and should be brought to justice. That should be the only single stance of all political parties, of every citizen of the country, in this fight against terrorism. Why then do we seem to be justifying by saying that, one should also look at the circumstances that forced educated people to choose the path of terrorism?
See, if all terrorists are terrorists, why did we invite a Taliban terrorist to India? Why did we did a press conference with him? Why did we welcome a terrorist to India? Why we have taken empathies from them after this Delhi blast, from Talibanis? See, this idea of a terrorist is terrorist, we totally agree. Then you should draw the line. Then when people call Sadhvi Pragya Thakur statements that Godse is a Mahatma, that Godse was a terrorist who killed our father of nation. It started then now. So a terrorist is terrorist, the line should be drawn from there itself.
I don't know how you bring in Sadhvi Pragya, but when you bring in Sadhvi Pragya, you should talk about the court's verdict as well. Nevertheless, let me bring in Kaushal Kant Mishra. Kaushal Kant Mishra, you heard what Dr. Muni has to say. P. Chidambaram says there are two types of terrorists. One are foreign trade infiltrators and one are homegrown terrorists. So he's localizing the entire matter. He says there are homegrown terrorists as well who become terrorists because of certain circumstances.
स्वाति, ये वही पी चिदम्बरम है जिन्होंने होम ग्रोन टेररिज्म को हिंदू टेररिज्म का नाम दिया था, तो उनके बारे में तो क्या ही बात करें। टेररिज्म होता है, टेररिज्म में धर्म ढूंढने का काम वो करते हैं जो धर्म की राजनीति करते हैं। हम टेररिज्म को टेररिज्म मानते हैं। टेररिज्म का कोई धर्म नहीं होता है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली हर टेररिस्ट का धर्म होता है, और हर टेररिस्ट जिसका धर्म होता है, मालूम है ग्लोबल टेररिज्म इंडेक्स का डेटा है जो ये कहता है कि 95% ऑफ द टेररिस्ट इंसिडेंट्स बाय द इस्लामिक टेररिस्ट, दिस इज वन फैक्ट, एंड globally 97.8% are terrorists, whatever they have captured by agencies, they are belonging to Islamic group, Wahhabi group. So we have to understand there is a ideology, there is a group, and the politics is going on. They are trying to balance the Islamic terrorism with the Hindu terrorism. The same P. Chidambaram was said. It was fortunate that in the Bombay terror attack, we catch hold of that Kasab.
Okay.
He is having the Kalawa in his wrist. If unfortunately if he has died, they have proven that it was Hindu terrorism.
Okay.
So
Okay.
आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि कांग्रेस जो है हमेशा टेररिस्ट पे भी राजनीति करती है, और उसमें भी तुष्टीकरण दिखाती है।
टेररिस्ट पर भी राजनीति
अगर आप
करती है।
ये सोचिए कि कांग्रेस के लोग 10 सेकेंड, कांग्रेस के लोग,
हाँ पूरी कर लीजिए अपनी बात।
कांग्रेस के लोग अगर कहते हैं, उनके साथ खड़े होते हैं, अफजल हम शर्मिंदा हैं, तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं, भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे, इंशाअल्लाह हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी। अगर इस तरह की विचारधारा के साथ वो खड़े होंगे तो वो किसको ब्रीड करेंगे?
ओके, लॉन्ग रोप गिवन इवन टू टेररिस्ट।
कांग्रेस को सोचना पड़ेगा,
लॉन्ग रोप गिवन इवन टू टेररिस्ट।
किसके साथ खड़े होंगे?
आप डॉक्टर मुनी से जवाब ले लीजिए इस पर। डॉक्टर मुनी।
Swati ji, I'll tell that Kaushal Kant Mishra has exposed himself, and I challenge Kaushal Kant Mishra today on your show. Yesterday on Times Now, Sanju Verma said that terrorism has a religion, extremist Islamic. She said that extremist Islam is a terrorism has a religion, extremist Islam. आप आज बोल रहे टेररिस्ट रिलीजन नहीं है, कल आपके स्पोक्स पर्सन बोल रहे थे एक्सट्रीमिस्ट इस्लाम टेररिस्ट रिलीजन है। आप जो है ये सब बकवास करना बंद करें।
फिर मुझे एक बात बताइए,
करना बंद करें।
डॉक्टर मुनी वो संजू वर्मा ने जो कहा था उसका जवाब, संजू वर्मा ने जो कहा था उसका जवाब आप उनसे लीजिएगा, पर मुझे एक बात बताइए, पी चिदम्बरम ने जो कहा है उस पर कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या कर रही है? सपोर्ट कर रही है उनको कि डिस्टेंस कर रही है अपने आप को? क्या कह रही है?
देखिए, there has been today the Congress party has one stand that the government should conduct an all-party meeting and tell the people of India that why there has been an IB failure, Intelligence Bureau failure, because as per the sources of news channels like yours, there has been a message from Intelligence Bureau 15 days earlier regarding sleeper cells, including doctors.
Right.
So the question remains that why this was neglected.
No, so one second. One second. You can of course go ahead and ask. Absolutely. You can go ahead and ask those questions to the government. One needs to ask those questions as to why did the blast happen in the first place. But in the postmortem which is happening now, is it fair, Dr. Muni? I'm going back to that point because even the Congress does not seem to be openly admitting or backing P. Chidambaram in his description of what the two type of terrorists are, or to say that circumstances make a man a terrorist and we should ponder on the circumstances. Dr. Muni, is this not diluting the whole plot? Also, is this not in a way a clean chit to the masterminds who are involved when you say these are local homegrown terrorists?
Swati ji, how this will be clean sheet? Is P. Chidambaram the Home Minister now? He is not. Is P. Chidambaram the courts now? He is not. The courts will decide. The Home Ministry will decide. The NIA and IB will decide that they are doing the investigation. he, as an Indian citizen, gives his statement.
Yes, but they
Let's
are
take
doing the
statement.
investigation even before that.
Statement. Now
Even
the
before that,
question should
sir,
be on the
politicians
government.
are arriving
From
at
people like Kaushal Kant Mishra.
No, 1 second. Even before that, politicians are jumping to conclusions. Hussain Dalwai said सिर्फ मुसलमानों को टारगेट किया जा रहा है. The agencies never said that. If you are convinced that the agencies will do the investigation and the Home Minister has to take the decision, then why don't you wait?
Any intelligent person will wait for the investigations to continue.
Swati,
That isn't happening, and then in that case,
I will wait
no,
for the
in that case,
investigation to conclude.
all those who have
But
jumped the gun and made
Hussain Dalwai is
statements,
not the spokesperson.
their intelligence is being questioned by you. Let me now bring in Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra. Intelligence failure says opposition. प्लीज एडवांस कीजिए जो नेक्स्ट सेशन होने वाला है पार्लियामेंट का, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाइए. क्यों नहीं बुलाते मीटिंग? ये सवाल ऑपोजिशन पूछ रहा है.
स्वाति, अगर एजेंसीज फेल होती तो 3000 किलो का अमोनियम नाइट्रेट का ब्लास्ट होता और जैसे बेरूत में धमाका हुआ था वैसा धमाका हमें देखने को मिलता. ये इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज का ही सक्सेस है कि उस आतंकी को अपने आप को ब्लास्ट करना पड़ा, जैसी सोर्सेस कह रहे हैं कि इमरजेंसी में ब्लास्ट करना पड़ा, क्योंकि उसे इस बात का डर था कि एजेंसीज उसको पकड़ लेंगी. और दूसरी चीज, आकाशदीप जी जाकर पढ़िए इंटरनेशनल क्राइसिस ग्रुप 2010, ब्रूकिंग्स इंस्टीट्यूट रिपोर्ट 2008, इंटरनेशनल क्राइसिस ग्रुप 2010, ORF 2019, all says 95% of the global terrorism from the Islam.
Islamists.
I'm directly
You're saying
saying
these are Islamists, and a clean chit is being given. Clean chit is being given by P. Chidambaram to those. Everybody jumping to conclusions even before the investigating agencies do their jobs. Omar Abdullah, the Chief Minister of Jammu Kashmir, meanwhile has said that not every Kashmiri is a terrorist. There are few जिनकी वजह से सबको बदनाम किया जा रहा है. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us in the broadcast with your views.